Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. You are watching 5 Minutes Information channel and I am your facilitator Yusuf, and in this episode I will talk about the Smart Library Part 2, and this is episode number 101. Viewer guidance: you can get the notes of this video lecture mentioned on the link of this video description. In this video I will talk about the which types of services provided by the Smart Library. With reference to our previous episode number 95, where I talk about the Smart Library and its characteristics. Just repeat the definition of a Smart Library. A Smart Library is an information center or library with networks of many libraries and their services in large informational ecosystem around the globe. Smartness means that the development of new library e-tools and service are measured on the assessment of real resources of the user. And now I talk about which types of services provided by the Smart Library. Smart Library provides 8 types of services. Number 1, Internet of Thing based library service. Number 2, ICT based library services. Number 3, digital library services. Number 4, institutional repository. Number 5, library portal 2.0 service. Number 6, e-database services. Number 7, reprography, monographic and scanning and digitalization. And number 8, QR code or barcode based library scanning of library information. I will explain each services one by one. Number 1, Internet-based library services. The Internet of Things IoT is the latest technology through the Internet in a present scenario. By this embedded technology, number of devices, objects can be able to collect and transmit data in library with human to human, human to things, and things to things. Point number 2, ICT based library services. Information and communication technology ICT has transformed library services globally. Information and communication technology, which include computers, smart mobiles, tablet, iPhone, the internet and web browser, internet, extranet related technologies are used in smart library services. Number 3, digital library services. Virtual library, e-library, library without wall, and digital library are used as alternative terms of each other. The basic objective of the digital library is to improvise the access of library content, as well as it is also include the cost saving, preservation, keeping pace with the technology and information sharing with the multiple user at same time. Number 4, institutional repository services. Institutional repository is a service which is available on the Smart Library that an institution offered to a community for management and dissemination of research material and maintained by the community member. The institutional repository can help the redefine of the production and dissemination and use of the resources. Number 5, library portal 2.0 service. Library portal meets the individual needs of the user, and portal is now a standard interface to generate library resources and services through a single access and management point of view. Number 5, e-database services. Accessing and abstracting database provide the arithmetic count of the content like article, book, chapter and conference paper. Views, download, read, citation count, H-index score of the article is also available on the e-database services like Scopus, Web of Science, ResearchGate are designed for the such services. Number 7, reprographic or micrographic digital scanning services. In the age of artificial intelligence, the technology is very popular in every library almost to using the scanning of real material and micrographic to transmit the information in a small devices. On the demand of the parent organization, such material are digitalized and scanned and preserved and saved on the library websites and library digital repository and archival sections. Number 8, QR code or barcode. QR code or barcode is also considered the part of the smart library services. Barcode keeps the information of library books and users. QR code encoded the information on SMS, phone numbers, and any other information and transmission. It is a very popular technology. QR code is being very popular technology among not in the libraries, among the other platforms where the information is preserved and encoded. That's end of the episode number 101, Smart Library Part 2. In this episode, I discussed just brief information about the Smart Library and which type of services provided by the Smart Library. Thumb up and comment if you like this video and stay connected with 5 Minutes Information channel. I will back soon with another informative episode. Thanks for watching till the end.